to make Parmesan chicken. And I've already used Pam on the bottom of the baking dish. And I've already cleaned some chicken tenders, but you can also use chicken breasts. Anyway, but it's all cleaned already. And we need 1 cup of Progresso Italian style breadcrumbs. Goes in here. And then we need 1/4 of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And we're going to mix that up. And then, oh, I forgot. We need to preheat the oven for 375. Okay, 375. And I've already melted a 1/2 cube of butter. Butter is my theme. Anyway, so the first thing you do is you dip the chicken in the butter, dip it in this, get it nice and coated, and then put it in there. Butter. There. And I'll finish this. But the next thing you do is you're going to put it in your preheated oven. For chicken tenders, you're going to cook it for 15 minutes. And then you're going to take it out and turn it over, and you're going to cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes. And then it's done. And if you're cooking the larger breasts, you need to cook the first half for 25 minutes, and the second half for 20 minutes, for a total of 45 minutes. For these, I'm just going to cook it for 15 minutes and 15 minutes. So just 30 minutes for these small ones. Okay? And I'll show you when they're all done. As it turned out, I needed a little extra butter, so I had about 3/4 of this cube. And then I had a little tiny bit extra, so I drizzled it on there. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes. And then I'll turn it after 15 minutes for another 15, and it should be all done. Quick and easy. Enjoy.
It's not done yet.
This has been Cooking with Carol. All you have to do is make a vegetable and a little salad, and dinner is ready.